Hello students, this is Philip Teacher, and I hope you are having a very happy day today. So, we cannot meet in the classroom, but we should study English very hard together. And so, for our online class today, we should start on Lesson 1 in your book. So, please turn to page 10 in your book, and let's study some English together. While you are watching this video, if it is difficult to understand, then you can listen again by going back in the video. Also, you can change the speed of the video if it is difficult to understand my English. Just click the icon here and then choose playback speed here and set to a different speed to make it go slower. And then it should be easier to understand. All right, let's move on and start our lesson. So first, we have our lesson title, My Happy Everyday Life. Please say with me in 3, 2, 1, My Happy Everyday Life. Okay. So, in this lesson, we will study your life. What do you do in your life? What is your life? I want to know. Okay, we are looking at these phrases in your book, these sentences. So, let's start with A. And students, we cannot meet together in the classroom, but we should still practice speaking together. So please listen and then repeat. So here we go. What do you usually do in your free time? Please say together in 3, 2, 1. What do you usually do in your free time? I usually listen to music. Please say in 3, 2, 1. I usually listen to music. Do you know usually? I hope so. Usually is normal, 보통, usually. Most of the time, it's normal. What do you usually do in your free time? Free time is 자유시간, I think? Yeah. So, what do you usually do in your free time? An answer, I usually listen to music. Next, let's do these. What kind of music do you listen to? Please say in 3, 2, 1. What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of? That is 어떤 종류? What kind? What kind? What type? What genre of music do you listen to? And I listen to classical music. Please say in 3, 2, 1. I listen to classical music. Okay, so we will practice many different sentences with what do you usually do in your free time and what kind of blah blah do you blah blah. And this English will help you to know about other people's life. You can introduce your hobby, or introduce what you like and find out what other people like. It's very good English. Okay, next. Next. So, we have a picture, like an apartment building, and we can see many people in the window. It's a little strange to see inside many people's window. I think they should close the window. But anyway, because we can see the people, let's find out, what are they doing? Okay, what are they doing? So, here we have an example of Mina. And we can see, what is Mina doing? Please tell me the answer in 3, 2, 1. Mina is dancing. Okay. And so, for this answer, we should have the person's name, and then be verb. So, with one person, it is. So, Mina is, and then verb plus ing. So, what is our answer one more time? What is Mina doing? Please tell me in 3, 2, 1. Mina is dancing. Okay. Next, we have Eric. Eric. Oh no. Oh no, Eric! Did he die? No? No, he didn't die. He's okay. But what is Eric doing? What is Eric doing? Can you guess? Remember, we need name, is, and verb ing. So, tell me the answer in 3, 2, 1. Eric is sleeping. Okay. Next one. Let's look at Yuna. So, Yuna. What is Yuna doing? Tell me the answer in 3, 2, 1. Yuna is watching TV. Okay. And Sam? Ooh, this one is a little bit harder, a little more difficult. So, there's definitely some sound here. He can be doing some things. I think it's music. So, let's say in 3, 2, 1, Sam is listening to music. Or maybe he is playing a PC game. Maybe he is playing League of Legends. I don't know. Oh, or maybe he is doing English online classwork. Yeah, good job, Sam. Studying English. Okay, how about Sora? This one's easy. Tell me, what is Sora doing in 3, 2, 1? Sora is cooking. And last, Kate. Tell me, what is Kate doing in 3, 2, 1? Kate is playing the violin. Okay, now we know everyone in the apartment. So let's move on to the next page. Okay, next we need to listen and write the number. So, with each conversation, the student will ask, "What do you usually do in your free time?" And the other student will answer, I like blah, 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 or I go to blah, blah, blah. So, listen carefully and choose which conversation goes with what picture. So, Sherlock Holmes, baking cookies, Baduk, and rock music. So, listen to each conversation and choose which number goes where. Here we go. Number 1. Hajun, what do you usually do in your free time? I like playing games with my dad. What kind of games do you play? I usually play Baduk. Number 2. Hey Eric, what do you usually do in your free time? I go to the library and read books. What kind of books do you read? I like reading detective stories. I really like Sherlock Holmes stories. Number 3. Seho, what do you do in your free time? I listen to music. What kind of music do you listen to? Rock music. And number 4. Chris, what do you do when you have free time? I make cookies. I enjoy baking. What kind of cookies do you make? I usually make strawberry cookies. I love strawberries. Okay, let's check your answers. And if you couldn't find the answer, just go back and listen again, or you can change the speed to be slower and easier to understand. So, number 1, the boy says, I like playing games with my dad. And the girl says, what kind of games do you play? I usually play Baduk. And so, answer number 1 is here. 2. The girl says, what kind of books do you read? And the boy says, I like reading detective stories. I really like Sherlock Holmes stories. And so, number 2, Sherlock Holmes. 3. What kind of music do you listen to? Rock music. Okay, there's number 3. And finally, the girl asks, what kind of cookies do you make? And the boy says, I usually make strawberry cookies. I love strawberries. Okay, so he loves to make strawberry cookies. Number 4. Okay, good job, students. Okay, students, so that is all of the work for you to do for this part of your book. So, thank you very much for studying very hard, and I hope you have a very happy time and stay safe, and I will talk to you very soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.